So just getting going here this morning. Had a little rain last night and milled up all the boards I should need to finish the cover. And the goal today is to get them up there. So let's get to it. He pet it, huh?
Yeah, he was.
I'm a horse.
You got to see a horse?
Yeah.
We were,
Oh.
like, ripping up like weeds and feeding it to them, and he really liked that. And then
Yeah.
I was like, "Do you want to pet it?" Yeah. He like pet it, and then. But that was like a one and done.
Daughters. Carlin and Ashley, sisters, my daughters. And son-in-law Joey, out for another day.
That's right.
All right, what I'm doing here is drilling a 1-inch hole through the beam while I have it exposed before I put the last of the sheeting on. And that's for an eye bolt to go through for the cable system that I'm gonna install that will help support this long span of the beam. So just trying to do that before the sheeting's on. So let me see, drill. It might be stuck in there. Well, let's do it the old-fashioned way. Go get a crescent wrench. Success. finally. Here it is. Clean through. Next one is deeper because I got another 2-inch material on it. There it is. There it is. All right, last piece of wood. Plop it in.
Let's do it. Final piece.
Ceremonial. Whoa! All right, just gotta nail that down and trim the ends. Should be good to go. You can see the fresh boards here haven't started yellowing up yet. These were logs just a couple days ago. It's good to get the sheeting completed on the sawmill cover shed, and next up I got to put the fascia boards on. I got some 8-inch material for that, and order some roofing, and yeah, plugging along. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.